Hi everyone, my name is Victoria and I will be presenting what big ag and factory farms don't want you to know, my big awakening, and how I became a pescatarian or vegetarian. So one night I was scrolling on social media and I stumbled upon a video with a cow on it. I wanted to see what was going on, and come to find out it was in a slaughterhouse and displaying, recording, however you want to say it, a cow being slaughtered. And it was like I was right there witnessing it firsthand, seeing the bloodshed, the blood coming from its neck, its mouth, its body. It was horrific. I immediately broke down into tears and I couldn't handle it anymore. I knew I needed to make a change. There's over 45 billion animals already slaughtered for the meat industry, and we only have 2 months left of 2021. So my predictions are, and they could be wrong, but about 70 billion animals are going to be going towards the meat industry, and something needs to change because I feel like we're going to be ending up in an extinction very soon if changes don't start. There's many different ways that we can change our eating. If you look at these two burgers, can you tell the difference between a plant-based burger and a meat-based burger? From a distance, you really can't tell. They've disguised it this well so far, and it's really easy to change our diet. I mean, there's so many options now. There's so many companies like Morningstar, Ozo, Beyond Meat, Impossible Meat. The possibilities are endless for us to stand up for these animals that are losing their lives every single second of the day. And choosing a plant-based diet will drastically improve your body, your health, your immune system, just the way you live, and even the climate. Even what's going on in our world right now, you're going to start seeing drastic results being taken and huge improvements. So my plan of action is signing a petition on change.org. Ban factory farming. Every vote counts, and every signature, your signature, my signature, our friend's signature, whoever it is, it counts. And it could really drastically help change the world. These are my citations. If you have any other questions, please let me know and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you.